Are you thinking of starting your own fast food business in Malaysia? You're not alone. The fast food industry here is thriving, with an increasing demand for quick, delicious meals. Let's dive into how you can start your very own fast food venture. First, choose your concept. Will you go for a traditional burger joint, a fried chicken shop, or something unique like a fusion fast food menu? Identify your target market, whether it's families, office workers, or students. Next, focus on location. Malaysia's cities and towns offer high foot traffic, but it's essential to pick a spot with ample visibility and convenience. Think malls, busy streets, or near office districts. Legalize your business. Register with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM, and obtain necessary licenses like food handling permits and halal certifications if needed. Finally, make your food stand out. High-quality ingredients, exceptional service, and a solid marketing plan are keys to success. And of course, don't forget to leverage social media to promote your brand. Starting a fast food business in Malaysia is an exciting and profitable venture. With the right preparation, you could be serving up delicious meals and building a loyal customer base in no time. Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia today, and let's make your dream business a reality.